The chart of accounts contain list of accounts that you use to categorize assets, liabilities, equity and expenses. To set up chart of accounts, click Master Files and then select Chart of Accounts. Accounting System displays the Chart of Accounts window, which made up of 5 columns, namely, level, account code, account name, account type, and the status of the account, either active or inactive. To see the details of each account, double-click an account. Edit Account window will be displayed. The user can choose account type suited for an account. Account Details displays account code, account name, and its description. Put a check mark on the box if the said account is active. The user can select level of accounts, which indicated the structure of accounts currently configured. You can select parent account of a sub-account. Then click Save. By right-clicking an account, it will display command box with an options, namely, New Account, for user to add an account, edit account and delete account. Setting up the item list. Click Master Files at the sidebar, then select Items and choose Item Master. The item list window identifies the item code, item name, group name, category, description, cost of goods sold, asset account, income account, cost and pricing of item. To add information about an item, double-click the item. Edit Item window will be displayed. Group name indicates the category in which the item is categorized. In Edit Item window you can supply item code, item description, item category, item brand and unit. The user can provide appropriate description of sales transaction by using description box at the sales information. Type in the sales price of the item. The user can create percentage of tax required for an item and set up sales tax code. Select income account that's suited for an item. Specify the tax account of the item. Select cost of goods sold. In inventory information, select asset account. Then click Save. Setting up the Customer Master. At the Accounting System window, click Manage Customers. Click Customer Master. The customers list can view in 2 different ways. You can select Categorize button, which lets you view customers list alphabetically, or click on Categorized button to view customers list based on the prior order the user input customer. To view customer information, select name of customer in the list that you want to view. Click Transaction window to view sales order, invoices, and delivery receipt, sales receipts, received payments, credit memos, and debit memos. Creating Supplier Master. In the Accounting System window, click Supplier Master button. The supplier window displays the supplier information like supplier legal name, address, contact number, fax number, etc. You can select Transaction button to view purchase orders, bills, and checks. Creating sales order. Click Customer on the menu bar, then select Sales Order. Use the Customer menu drop-down list to identify the customer from whom you want to create a sales order. Supply item column that corresponds to the customer. In the Description column, describe the item that you select. You can enter the number of items in ordered column. The Rate column identifies the price per unit for an item. The user can input remarks at the customer message box. Specify the sales tax for the sales order. Then you can close the sales order module. Creating sales invoice. Click Create Invoice at the Accounting System window. Select Sales Order. Select customer you want to view. Then click OK. Fill out the invoice date, invoice number, bill due and ship to fields. Assign price per unit for an item. Select sales tax per item. Specify tax code if taxable or non-taxable. Click Set Sales Discount. To set sales discount, specify if sales discount is applied per percentage, per amount or per head in parts. Then click Save to update the records. To print invoice, click Preview. Select Sales Invoice Template. Click Default. Sales Invoice Detail Report will be displayed. By clicking Export button, you can export and save the report, receiving the payments. In the menu bar, click Customer, then select Receive Payments. Use the Received from drop-down list to identify the customer from whom you receive payments. Supply the amount and payment method. Fill out check number if the payment method is check. Receive payment window, display date with its corresponding amount to receive. Also the amount due of payment. Select Payment Account and Discount Account. Then click Save. Creating a sales receipt. In the menu bar, select Customer, then click Sales Receipt. Select Customer from the drop-down list to whom you want to create sales receipt. Specify information in the sales receipt header. Supply item column. The user can input remarks at the customer message box. Select Sales Tax. To set sales discount, specify if sales discount is applied per percentage, per amount or per head in parts. Click Save. Click Preview to view official receipt like Receive Payments. Recording the credit memos. In the menu bar, select Customer. By clicking Credit Memos, it displays Click Apply Credit button and window. Identify the customer in the Customer job box. Select Credit Memo by account, then select Accounts. Click Save and Close button. In the menu bar, click Customer, then select Receive Payments. Select Customer in the Received From box. If the customer has credit available, click Credit button. Put a check on the box on the Available Credits window. Click Apply Credit button. Input price in the Amount box. Select Payment Method. Check number is required if the payment of method is check. To make bank deposits, select Payment Account and Discount Account. Then click Save. To check if the received payment is credited, the user can confirm the information in the Customer Master. Select Transaction button, then click Credit Memos. Select names you want to view. Notification is indicated. To make bank deposits, select Banking in the menu bar, then click Make Deposits command. It will display Make Deposits dialog window. In the deposit box, select bank account into which you want to make deposits. In the Received From box, choose customer to whom you receive payment. Supplier information in the From account box and also provide memo description. Select Payment Mode. If the payment mode is check, put check number. Click Save. To view the journal entry, click Accountant in the menu bar. Select Create Journal Entries. To view Journal Voucher, select Preview button. To transfer funds, select Banking on the menu bar, then click Transfer Funds command. Click the drop-down list to select bank accounts from which you transfer funds. Also click Transfer Funds to drop-down list to select bank account that will receive the funds. Fill out Transfer Amount box. Click Save. To view the account at the General Journal posting, click Accountant on the menu bar. Click Preview. Journal Voucher will be displayed. To create purchase order, click Supplier Master in the sidebar, then select Purchase Order. Use the supplier drop-down list to select supplier whom you want to create purchase order. Provide information in the Ship to Address box, purchase order date and purchase order number. Select item and put a description on the item that you select. Specify the number of item that you want in the quantity column. In the rate column, enter the price per unit for the item. Click Save. To view purchase order voucher, click the Preview button. To create bills entry, click Supplier Master in the sidebar, then select Bills Entry. Enter Bills window will be displayed. You can supply the supplier box by selecting from the PO. Enter Bills window will also display the date, accounts payable account, transaction number, address, amount due, etc. Fill out particulars in the Particulars box. Click Save. Click Order of Payment button to preview printable voucher. To review bills for approval, click Supplier Master, then select Bills for approval. Select bills that you want to approved. Put a check mark on the selected bills entry. Click Save Reviewed Bills button. Once the bill entry is reviewed, click Post Selected Bills. Enter password to continue. Click OK. To record bills payment, click Supplier Master, then click Bills Payment. Use the Show Bills button to view all bills, or you can specify date you want to view. Put a check mark on the box to select bills that you want to pay. Put a description in the Particulars box. Assign cash voucher number and check number. Select Payment Account drop-down list to select bank account for making payments. Click Pay Bills button. Check template will be displayed. To print check, click Print Check button. Select the Report Check template. Check voucher will be displayed. To record a journal entry, click Create Journal Entries, then select Journal Entry button. To create a general journal entry, click New button. Select account from drop-down list. This account is from the chart of accounts. Fill out the memo column to enter some description of the account. Put debit amount into debit column for the assigned account. For the credit side, select account from the drop-down list. Fill out the memo column to enter some description of the account. Click Save. Click Preview to view the journal voucher of the journal entry. Journal voucher will be displayed where the journal entry that you create is listed. Click General Journal Posting at the top right of the windows. Put a check mark on the journal entries that is for posting. Click Post Selected Entries button. Once the entries are posted, there is a check mark in the Posted column. For inquiries, visit our website at www.myclicktech.com or email us at sales@myclicktech.com or call us at 759-3356 or 759-4139 or visit our office from Monday to Friday at Unit 209B, Mile Long Building, Amor Solo Street, Lake Osby Village, Makati City.